had to take my kitty cat, Percy, to the veterinarian because Percy keeps coughing up hairballs. And I don't know why he keeps coughing up hairballs. And you know, Percy is my favorite cat. I had Percy for several years. Oh, Percy's just a beautiful, fluffy little angel fluff ball.
Yeah, I don't care. I just don't. Being in conversations that you're uninterested in is just, it's so cringy. And in my opinion, the worst place to be in uninterested conversations is when you're at work. Because when you are at work, like, you cannot tell people that you don't care and for them to fuck off. Like, I provide amazing customer service at work. So people have the tendency to come tell me their business or tell me stories that I'm just not here for. Like I said, I can't tell them to fuck off because I'm at work. I need the paychecks. I gotta get this money because I have bills to pay. But the whole time they're telling me things, I'm like, yes, oh my goodness, wow, yes. And then, like, I work very fast at work, so sometimes when I'm working and I know those people that are going to come in and tell me stuff I don't care about, like, I up my game. Like, my speed is like 10 times the speed. Like, I'm in fast forward. And people are always like, oh, honey, slow down. Like, no, I'm not slowing down. I need to pick up the pace. Now, I love when I'm not at work and I'm in those boring-ass conversations I don't care about because I'm always just straight up. I'm like, I really don't care. This is boring. This is uninterested. And it is asshole-ish. It really is, but it's just like, all right, I allow people to talk about things I don't care about for a while, maybe like 2-3 minutes, which is very long for me. And then after a while, it's just like, yeah, I don't care. Or it also comes to a point where I will not respond. Like, I'm in a conversation, I won't respond, and if I do respond, it's like a 10-second delay. I don't know. And sometimes I wonder if these people know, like, you're boring. I don't care. Do you know how boring you are? Do you know how uninterested in this conversation I am? Because if it's not me saying it, I know my facial expressions is giving it away that I do not care. But guys, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see and you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, ha, ha. Until next time. Until next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.